Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this rechargeable milk frother. This has 3 stainless whisks to whisk your drink. Alright, so right here we got our milk frother. It is a rechargeable one. You can see that it is provided with a charging plug. A lot of the other ones use batteries. I did not like the battery one, so I went ahead and got this rechargeable one. So this one here is offered in several different colors. I went with the pink one because it matches my coffee pot. So the only thing it does not include is the stand. So this one here has 3 adjustable speeds. It is effortlessly makes really nice froth. So it averages about 15 to 20 seconds. And we're going to go ahead and dive into the box. So in the box we do have 3 attachments. So you can choose between the attachments. And then you have the instructions manual right here that basically tells you what the attachments are for. So here is the instructions, and it shows you how to attach them, what the attachment's for, and how to use them, how to remove it. And on the back it just shows you how to clean, what kind of cup to use to froth your milk, and how long to put it on for, the straight time. So we also get a Type-C charging cable. So this right here uses to charge up the frother. You can connect it to a power brick that goes into the wall or a power bank. So this does have 3 detachable whisking heads, a dual layer spring whisk, a balloon whisk, and a hook whisk. They are for versatile frothing options. They feature a compact design and high quality. It is a stainless steel construction. The frother is a breeze to clean. Simply rinse and wash under the sink. So this is your main one that you would normally use, but they do give you other options. So you also got this nice sleek frother, which is super nice. You have the options to choose from several different colors. I did go with pink because it did match my coffee pot. You can see right here on the bottom it has a Type-C charging port. You've got the battery, you have a low, medium, and a high, so you can choose if you want it low, medium, or high by pushing the button. You can see each side has a little hook on each side, just like this one. That one is to put it in the right way, and it just kind of snaps in there. You just push it all the way down, and then it should have like a little gap, whatever, like right here. And then it should work. So we're going to try the slow motion, the low. And then all you have to do is see it says low, medium, and high. So once you hit the button, they will turn colors. So this one here is lit up green. When you want to stop it, you just push the button again. It will stop. You can see that this one is spinning on medium. Now we're going to hit on the high, and then you can see it's spinning at the high setting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to go take it in my kitchen. I'm going to get some milk, and I want to froth some milk for my coffee this morning. Alright, so we got a glass in order to put our milk in here. So we're going to pour our milk. I'm not going to use too much because it is just 1 cup of coffee. So we're going to put the milk away, and then we're going to grab our frother. So I would just do either a low or a medium, depending. They do have high, so there's a medium. I'm just going to stick it in here depending on how much you want to froth. So I just did medium, so you can see that it's frothing real nice. It is a lot of froth, so you might want to go low if you don't want too much. So you can see how it's frothing really nicely, and I use the standard frothing tip to it. So it's almost like butter. It is so nice. So now I'm just going to take this and pour it into my coffee. You can see it frothed all the milk. So there's not any milk. It's just basically froth. So I already made my coffee, and I'm just going to add the froth into my coffee. So I'm just going to pour it in there like that. And actually I used the leftover for another cup of coffee. So it makes a really nice froth of your milk. If you like froth in your coffee, I would definitely say check this one out. I like the fact that it is rechargeable, so you don't need to put any batteries. I highly recommend this frother.